Nowadays, with the rise of electric bikes, tensions between gassers and e-bike riders are the highest that they've ever been. Coming from gas bikes, I partially get the hate, but I also feel bad because the fact is that most of these dudes have not actually tried electric bikes.
I can wheelie a real bike.
So, for today's video, I posed the question, can I get a Harley guy to like an electric bike? Enter Big E. An insta-famous Harley guru. You may have seen him on your Instagram page, and we know that this guy bleeds bikes through and through. But I want to see if we can get him to like electric bikes.
This is your throttle. It only works when the kickstand's up.
Right.
Rear brake, front brake.
Word.
That's all you really need to know.
I'm gonna die on this. You hear my mom? She said, "Be careful on it, dude." I'm gonna die.
You're in mode 1. We can amp up the power as we go.
All right, man. We'll see what I think about it, but you can't get away from America, brother.
I don't know. We'll see if you can be changed here, dude.
Oh, no, dude.
Foot brake too.
Oh my Lanta.
Watch Big E try to wheelie it and
Yo, don't say that. Oh my God, this is mode 1.
The power hits like a power band too. Right is front.
He's gonna fall.
Connor.
Take it around the track. Get used to it. See what you think.
I just died on your arms tonight. It must have been something you said. I just died on your arms tonight.
I said it!
I'm so sorry.
I knew it!
Fine, dude.
God damn it.
He called it.
I'm so broken.
Bro, I do this all the time.
Oh, God. Ow. All right, dude, they're pretty cool, but they hurt. I hit the rear brake. I hit it like 10 times. I hit it.
I'll say this brake's a little better than this one.
I was like, that's what you wanted. That is what you wanted.
Oh, I just wanted you to flip the bike. I mean, hey, dude. So I think maybe ride it again. I think the Harley guys just can't handle the power of electric.
You know what, bro, relax with that, okay?
Dude, Harley guys can't handle the electric
I just
power.
slid my nipple off.
Yeah.
Oh God!
Wait, what was that?
Oh my God! Who needs this?
It's just a front and a rear brake, dog.
There's a lot going on.
All right, give it some gas.
Oh God!
Those front forks are cooked.
All right.
You want to? Should we amp up the power or no?
We should amp it up. We should do it, but everything hurts.
Just cover that rear brake, pal.
Is it bent? Did I bend it, dude? Get out of my way! Hell yeah, brother! Coming at you in a new city. Look out!
That's what you call mode 1?
That's mode 2 now.
Connor, look, listen.
Let's hear the review. What does the Harley guy think?
Listen. Okay, listen, first off.
Dude, you've already been zestier now that you're riding an electric bike.
First off, it's not bad, okay? Would I own one? Probably, yes. My poor little knee, Connor. What? Dude, look at my belly. My nipple hurts. I really want to look at it. It's okay.
It's good. So what do we think then?
I'm not gonna lie, it's fast, it's torquey. Could I pick a girl up on it? I don't know. Okay? We need to go to the city, you know what I mean? I need to hang out, I need to see what's going down, I need to ride it a little more. But for right now, my hypothesis, I don't mind it, dude. It's not bad. I feel zesty. I'm not gonna lie.
You look zesty.
Come on, hold it, hold it!
Dude, there's just so much in there. There's so much bald eagle in this thing. Ah! You know what, dude? My knee hurts. It's hard, dude. I'm not used to the handbrake.
But it's honestly like easier than a foot brake.
Connor! You saw that?
Dude, that was good.
Call me a wheelie boy, all right? 215. Like that.
So guys, we're out here with Big E on the Harley ski. Dude, nuts. To wheelie that thing is crazy. Woo! Yeah, brother! I bet Big E's neighbors love him. Gas and electric, united. trail we have. The roost. I want to see Big E hit that jump. This is a little playground. No traction. And we'll hit the little kicker ski.
It's a whole lot of horsepower, brother.
Oh yeah. Guys, apologies if the GoPro mic isn't working, because it seems like it's not working right now. But we're still gonna rip.
Oh, what's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
Cracking, dog. Do some wheelies?
Let's do some wheelies. That's a 900-pound bike.
Oh my God! Gee, boy! Oh my God!
Connor, nice to meet you.
You guys see this dude on his bike. I know I brought. I was hoping the boys were here. What is it?
It's called a Talaria.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think the boys watch Connor. Oh,
Is that how you set up your bike?
you have to, bro. That's how they know you're cool.
Ah,
That's a Harley guy thing, Connor.
yeah. I mean, you definitely got to compensate, right? Otherwise,
You gotta do something, bro. They gotta know you're cool. That's all I'm
All right, put on a little wheelie showcase. Circles? Let's see if we can do them here. See if we can death spin it.
Good Lord, son!
I'm not limber enough, it's too cold.
Is it worth the ride here, dude?
Yeah.
He does follow you, so.
Oh, hell yeah, that's sick. I appreciate it. Oh, hell yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. You probably didn't expect me to be over here now in your driveway.
I was sitting on the couch, and then I hear you roll in. I'm like, oh, and I was like, that's awesome.
Keep it rolling, brother.
Yeah, let's do it. Hey, nice meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you, man.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Way to go.
You're extremely talented.
I appreciate it. Nice meeting you, man. Thanks for watching the channel. A little twisty. A little smoke. Backfire. Or fire, rather.
I just wheelied the whole thing! You missed it!
All right, let's see a wheelie.
Connor's world now, bro.
Connor's world, bud.
She's the best.
I I paid my street tax today.
You paid your street tax, dude. You're officially a fucking wheelie boy. You're welcome down in Philly to wheelie anytime.
You mean that?
I mean that, bro. From my heart.
I appreciate that, bro. It sounded zesty a little bit right there.
Not again! You know what, dude? I'm done with electric bikes. I'm gonna ride the Harley.
Real American steel, right? We got bald eagles in
Hell
between
yeah.
the frame here, right? You think you can handle a girl like this?
I think easily.
Why don't you go ahead and corral it? You go on.
Yep.
Go on.
Don't scare me.
Go.
Harleys are known for not wanting to run, you know?
Yeah, yeah. You know, if you guys just saw what just happened, clip back to that scene.
Not again! Oh, brother. I'm a Harley guy now. This thing is one heavy gal. Oh, brother! Yeah, buddy! Woo!
Think about that, man. Feel
Dude.
the bald eagles?
I'm selling that
Yeah,
shit.
dude. Sell this piece of garbage,
Sell
brother.
it to me.
Absolute junk.
You're good. Let her down, dude.
Dude, I have like no trust in that kickstand. I'm like, it's just gonna
That
topple.
kickstand's a little stronger than most of my relationships, bro. Dude, what do you think?
Dude, it's fun. It's a heavy gal. I felt scared turning the damn
You
thing.
look great out there, man. You look like you could really corral it, dude. I'm proud of you. Getting done. I blew a head gasket in the motor, so we're getting that all fixed up.
What year is this thing?
Dude, it's an 89.
89. Look at this. All the bikes, bro. This is where the cuts get done.
This is where the magic happens, bro.
What type of products we using?
Only
Lay
Lay-Right.
right. Only Lay Right. Sponsored.
Yeah, these are all the taillights I've scraped off.
Hell yeah. The SSRs. This is the 190. That's crazy. Oh, and the barber shop
Yeah,
over
yeah.
here.
The second barbershop.
And the Big E shirt. Let's go. This is a fire design too. What's the 29 for?
So that's like the lucky number of the whole thing. So 2911 is my favorite Bible verse. So it's for the plans I have to prosper you.
Oh,
So
fuck
it's
yeah.
kind of just like the center of the world.
Yeah.
And 29's always been like a family lucky number. We got a little pocket rocket. Remember these, dude?
Oh, the fucking, yeah, it's a razor too. Yo, he's got the goddamn razor. I remember I wanted one of those so bad when I was a kid. Dude, that's a lot of different vehicles that have been hacked. Dude.
It's just pop in the 80s, bro.
Dude, cruising. Dude,
Been
well
around for a
done.
long time.
Well done, shop. Another garage. Ooh.
This is some of the other bikes. These two are my dad's, and I just bought this girl. I needed
Oh,
something
shit.
that was like a little more reliable.
Dude, does the Instagram know about this one?
He doesn't, bro. You're the
That's what I was
first to know.
gonna say.
So this is the Harley room. Like, this is where all.
Dude, every room here is the Harley room.
Harley, yeah, dude. You gotta sign the floor. So when I was a kid, my family and I, we had a motocross team, and it was KAE. Like,
Oh, that's
even-
sick.
We all got the tats. Like the tats were our KAEs, Kenny, Allie, and Eric, and we were the Bulldogs.
Okay.
So we did the floor, covered the floor, and then like 20 years later, we ripped the carpet up, and KAE was still on the floor. So now everybody that comes down, has got to sign it, bro.
Yes, sir. In the E, yeah. Fuck.
Make sure you put the year too, bro. It's a couple more weeks.
Yeah, bud.
Hell yeah, dude.
Christen.